up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank y'all for tuning in. So today we are going to be coloring and styling this Shein wig. This is what the packaging is looking like. It did come with 2 caps. This is the 28-inch body wave wig. The link to this wig will be down below, but it is 13 by 6. I'm not sure, I don't believe it comes pre-plucked. I went ahead and plucked the wig, but y'all will see that. It did come with 4 combs, one in the middle, 2 of the sides, and 1 at the back. It came with adjustable straps, and again, it was 13 by 6. So first thing I'm going to do is I am going to color this wig jet black. So this is the color that I will be using today. It is the natural blue black from Revlon Color Silk collection. I love using this color. I use this on my natural hair. You guys will see I have a video on me coloring my hair using this hair color. I just love it. So just went ahead and mixed the color in a bowl, and I first applied it to the frontal, and I was very careful, making sure that I do not touch the actual lace. And so I know it's sped up, but I took my time. I was super careful with applying this. So at this point, I am finished coloring the frontal, so I'm just combing it through, making sure that these strands are fully coated with the color. And so now I'm going to go ahead and tie that up and just apply the color to the rest of the wig. Now, I did let the color sit for about 40 minutes to an hour. I actually should have let it sit overnight because some parts of the wig, it just wasn't black enough for me. It was still like that natural black, but I mean, whatever, what are you gonna do? I could always go back and recolor it. But yes, if you guys plan on coloring your wigs jet black, just make sure that you leave that color on overnight or longer than an hour so that it can really be that nice dark jet black color. again, I went ahead and let this sit for about 40 minutes to an hour, and then I went ahead and rinsed the color out. I washed the hair, conditioned it using my argan oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner. And this is what the hair is looking like after I have rinsed it out. So now I'm going to go ahead and pluck the hairline a little bit more. Now, I believe that this hairline did come pre-plucked. I'm not sure. Again, the description and everything will be down below in the description box. So I'm just going in and plucking the hairline a little bit more. Now, I kind of over plucked the hairline more on the right side, this side that I'm plucking right now. And you guys will see that. And I went a little overboard, but once it dried and once I applied the wig, you can barely tell that it was over plucked. So yeah, I'm just plucking. I don't really have like a method of plucking. I just pluck the areas where I feel like it needs to be plucked. When it comes to plucking, just do your own thing. Do what you feel is best. Just pluck where it needs to be plucked, and then you will have great results. Definitely take your time plucking. Now, this unit was kind of easy to pluck, I'm not gonna lie. These knots were small enough to where I didn't really have to tug and pull too much, so that's probably why I kind of over plucked a little bit. This is what the hairline is looking like after I have finished plucked the whole hairline. I think it looks really, really good. You guys can see right there where I'm combing over, there's a little bit of a bald spot, but it's okay. Like I said, once I applied the unit, it did not look like that. And then I did baby hairs. Okay, so this is a curl pattern of the hair. So it has like a little, like kind of like a natural wave to it. Looks really, really pretty. And this is the amount of hair that came out when I plucked the hair. So of course I let this wig dry overnight, did my nails and everything, and now we're gonna go ahead and blow dry the parts because the wig was still a little bit wet on the inside, so I decided to blow dry it. This is the heat protectant that I'm using. It's from Can 2 Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. Love the smell. Very, very lightweight. Gonna use some clips and this comb to flat iron. And so we're just gonna go ahead and blow dry. So now that the hair has been fully blow dried, you guys can see the hairline does not look too bad. It actually looks really good in my opinion. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make a part right down the middle because you know we are doing the middle part bust down with this unit. Yes. And then now it's time to flat iron. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this 2-inch flat iron that I did purchase from Amazon. It will be on my Amazon storefront, and so I'm just gonna use the chase method, of course. Pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more heat protectant, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just flat iron. So it's just a pretty simple process. I did apply some oil to, I want to say, about every 2 sections that I flat iron. I did apply a dime size or less than a dime size of this oil right here that I'm showing you guys. I just picked it up from my local beauty supply store, nothing special, because we want to make sure that the wig is nice and straight and sleek and shiny and just really, really gorgeous. So just gonna go ahead and continue, and then you guys will see the results at the end. I did not record, or I did not show you guys me installing this unit because I have so many videos on my channel of me installing different units. So if you guys want to know how I install any of my units, you guys can just go ahead and click on one of the videos in the description box. So for the frontal area, we know that there's going to be parts of the frontal that just is not going to lay down with just basic flat ironing. So this is why I am taking my good old handy dandy hot comb and my wax stick, and we're just going to take small sections and we're just going to flatten that out, because we don't want any bumps or any parts of the frontal or the hair or the whole unit for that matter to just be sticking up. So again, I'm taking my hot comb and I'm also just using this wax stick that I purchased from Amazon. Again, it will be on my Amazon storefront, and I'm just slicking that down, making sure that there's no flyaways, making sure that the frontal is laid flat, because again, we don't want any bumps or just any parts of the frontal that's just sticking up. And you guys see what I'm talking about right there, like right there, it's not laying flat. So we're just gonna make sure that we lay it flat with the hot comb. And I'm also taking my hand and just kind of laying it down a little bit, like right after I use the hot comb. You guys will see what I'm talking about with this demonstration right here. So I'm using the hot comb first, and then I'm taking my hand and just laying it down like right after, right there, combing it through with the regular comb and then just laying it down so that it has time to like set, so that it can remain flat, so that it doesn't pop back up. I'm not even sure if I'm explaining this properly, but you guys know what I'm talking about. So this is the finished product, you guys. She is so flowy, she's nice and sleek, she's black, and I love it. Again, I'm so sorry I did not record me installing this unit, but like I said, you guys can click on one of the videos in the description box below if you guys are interested on how I install my units. This wig will be in the description box below. Length is 28 inches. This is how long it reaches on me. She's nice and long and gorgeous and beautiful. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. And always remember, of course, to stay beautiful. Mwah.